How is this not surprising you?
I guess I kind of saw it coming. Oh.
Still got him, huh? Oh, that isn't good. Are you gonna miss your family?
Miss my family? Why?
You mean you don't know about Hiccup Island? It's a secret place in the middle of the South Pacific with no food or water or Wi-Fi. And if you can't stop hiccuping, you get sent there to break rocks forever.
Parents really do that?
Sure, I mean, all that is annoying. They don't want to listen to that.
You gotta help me stop hiccuping, Noah! I don't want to go to the island!
There might be a few things we can try, but you need to do exactly as I say. Deal?
Still hiccuping.
Weird. Pushing people on a swing almost always works.
Doing your art project isn't helping either.
Huh. This must be a real bad case. Doing someone else's work for them usually relaxes the hiccup maximus muscles. I know. Try more glitter.
Oh.
What? I'm helping her. So is it wrong if there's a little something in it for me? Little faster. That's it. Faster. Still. Try the grapes.
Why isn't this working? Oh.
Well, we tried. I'm gonna miss you, Bridge. Hope you make some new friends on Hiccup Island. Oh, I forgot friendship is illegal there, so probably not.
What?
Anyway, it's pickup time, so lates.
Bridgette, your mommy's here.
Oh, no!
Maybe don't mention the worm or the soda.
This day was awful! First I ate a worm, got the hiccups, then got a puppy, but the puppy got taken away! And I'm covered in sparkles and macaroni, and then Surprise Christmas got taken away too! I don't want to go to Hiccup Island! I'm not hiccuping anymore! I'm not hiccuping anymore!
You're welcome.
No! Oh, Noah! Thank you!
Oh, okay. Oh, easy. No, there's no Hiccup Island, but fear is a great cure for the hiccups. See? I told you I was helping. Not sure why you ever doubted me.